Thryv CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, streamline operations, and grow their client base. Here's how to use Thryv CRM effectively. Creating an account. Visit thryv.com and sign up for a Thryv account. You can choose from different pricing plans based on the features you need. Setting up your profile. After logging in, set up your business profile by adding essential information such as business name, contact details, and business categories. Managing contacts. Import your existing customer list or add new contacts manually. Thryv allows you to organize contacts into segments, enabling personalized marketing and communication. Scheduling and automating. Use Thryv to schedule appointments, meetings, or tasks for you and your team. Automated reminders helps ensure that customers are informed and engaged. Tracking interactions. Record interactions, including calls, emails, and notes for each customer. This allows you to maintain a complete history of customer engagement. Email marketing. Create and send personalized email campaigns to targeted audiences. Thryv includes email templates and analytics to track engagement and improve future marketing efforts. Managing invoices and payments. Generate and send invoices, track payments, and manage overdue accounts within the CRM. Thryv integrates with payment gateways for seamless payment processing. Reporting and insights. Utilize Thryv's reporting features to gain insights into your business performance. Generate reports on sales, customer engagement, and overall business health. Mobile access. Thryv offers a mobile app, allowing you to manage your CRM and business operations from anywhere, ensuring you stay connected with clients and manage tasks efficiently.